Thank God it's Friday, Fashionistas, and you are welcome to Fashion. What the week is winding up today, and anytime I make these statements, Nigeria is what comes to mind, and Nigerians who comes to mind because that is how we do it here in Nigeria. Friday is the end of the working week, and that ushers us into the weekend. And from from today's evening through Sunday, it's always behive of activities, social activities at that. People will be at the club tonight, while tomorrow people will attend different social events, and all that will culminate to church on Sunday. And today's video, we want to bring you some lovely, simple Maxi dresses for the beautiful, gorgeous women out there. As those styles are rolling by, you can see how lovely, how impeccable, how stunningly stylish these styles are. They are lovely Maxi dresses that will give you that comfort to move freely through this weekend. They are highly irresistible styles for the sight to behold. And if you try any of these styles really by on your screen, you will most definitely be glad that you did. Maxi dresses styles for every woman, regardless of your body type. You most definitely gonna love Maxi styles dress, and they are styles that give you that comfort. You can move freely from one end to the other and still keep your head up high. As usual, just sit back, relax, and get yourself thrilled and stunned with these awesome styles we've come through for you today from the beginning to the end, and most definitely you will be glad you did. All props and credits in this video goes to those highly resourceful, highly creative, highly talented fashion designers who are behind this masterpiece, the best of African fashion we are showcasing to you today. Big up to them. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting, and leave your thoughts below in the comment section. And if you find yourself here for the first time, you are most definitely welcome to Fashion World, that number one hub on the cyberspace where the best of African fashion are showcased. Hit on the subscribe button and put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video full of lovely, captivating, exotic, classy, and beautiful styles like this. And don't forget to share this video for us to evenly spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. My name is BJ, fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a lovely, fun-filled weekend. I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.